Welcome to our channel. If you want to reduce data usage on Uber to save on mobile data costs and improve app performance, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Open the Uber app on your smartphone and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to access the menu. Step 3. Select Settings from the menu options. Step 4. Scroll down to find options related to data usage or map settings. Step 5. Enable Data Saver mode if available, which reduces map quality and limits background data usage. Step 6. Download offline maps before your trip by using Google Maps or another mapping app, then minimize Uber's map usage. Step 7. Disable automatic app updates by going to your phone's App Store settings and selecting Update over Wi-Fi only. Step 8. Limit background data for Uber by going to your phone's settings, selecting Apps, then Uber, and choosing data usage. Step 9. Toggle on Restrict background data to prevent Uber from using data when not in use. Step 10. Use Wi-Fi whenever possible to book rides and check trip details instead of relying on mobile data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.